What's up guys, babsomotden here. Today I got something exciting for you. This is the Oraimo brand new BoomPop Lite headphones. And if you have been following my channel, you know that I've reviewed the Oraimo BoomPop 2, which is here with me, and the Oraimo BoomPop 2S before now. But this Lite version promises to be a game changer. Lighter, more portable, and still packing Oraimo signature sound quality. Let's dive into it. Let's see what this guy holds in the box, because this video is all about the unboxing and first impression. Without wasting much of our time, let's get down to business. Now, before we start the unboxing proper of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, let me tell you the price. The price of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite on Oraimo eShop website goes for 30,900 Naira. And you can use the discount code bracket to get it 5% cheaper. Now, the discount code works for any Oraimo product, including this Oraimo BoomPop Lite. So use the discount code and let's continue with the rest of the video. Thank you. Now, talking about this guy itself, it comes with a lot of features. The model number is OHP317, which you can see here. And also it comes with the slogan, endless beats all day long, with Avid-based technology right at the front. And by the side here, you're going to see 65 hours long playtime, sound 360 spatial audio, which is a feature that I'm waiting to explore. Clear voice in calls, dual device connectivity, charge 10 minutes, play 360 minutes, foldable and retractable design. And at the back here, you are going to see scan QR code for Oraimo Store, so you can download the Oraimo Store, install it on your smartphone, and shop from there. You are also going to see the 365 days warranty at the back here, no Bonner boy picture, and also the authentication center to check if you have gotten the original or fake. The color of this guy is graphite gray, which you can see written here. Now, over to the other side of it, you are going to see Oraimo Sound app. That means you can sync it up with Oraimo Sound app, and you are going to get access to tuning it with the Oraimo Sound app. You can change the EQ to your own taste. Just download it and you'll be good to go. Now, here are the specs of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite. You can see it comes with Bluetooth 5.3, 3.5mm auxiliary cable, Bluetooth range of 10 meters, speaker diameter of 40 mm, playback time up to 65 hours, and charging port Type-C. It said Oraimo lab test result, made in China, Bluetooth, blah, 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 blah. And that is pretty much it. On the top here, Oraimo Smart Accessory. Underneath it, keep exploring, sold in 60+ countries, trusted by 200 million users. So that is all you're going to find on this guy. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside the box. And you can see that Oraimo always nail their packaging. It is clean, compact, and it gives you that premium feel when you open it. So once you open it, the first thing you are going to see here is the welcome guide. You can see the welcome guide of the BoomPop Lite. A very long one. You can go through that in case you want to. I know some of you don't read manual, but please read this manual so that you can get yourself familiar with the functions and everything. The next item you are going to see in the box is the 3.5 aux cable, which you can use to listen to music. Yeah, you can still use it to listen to music, connect it to your computer or whatever uses 3.5mm audio jack. And the next one is the Type-C cable. Thank you, Oraimo, for keeping this Type-C port there for us. And to the BoomPop Lite themselves, which you can see here, this is how this guy looks like. As you can see, this is graphite gray color from Oraimo. This is more of like, let me say ash color, gray, yeah, more like gray. So this is how it looks. It's foldable. You can fold it this way. You can also turn it inwards. Okay, like this. You can go outward, you can go inward. I really like that kind of design. And it is more of plastic. All right, so it's more of plastic, but it is lighter this time around. And I like one thing, just one thing. The cushion is soft this time around. I think this is mainly for long hours sections. So if you are going to be using this guy for long hours, then this is a very good bet. This is a very good one for you. It's very soft, unlike the previous models. I think those ones are a little bit rough on the hair, though they are still good, but this looks and feel better. All right, so you can see it is customized here, Oraimo, and it comes with this retractable sides too, okay, in case you want to adjust it. And here also you have this cushion for the head, and in here you have the specs. By the side of this headphone, which is the right ear cup, you are going to see the controls there. It comes with the volume keys, plus and minus, with the turn on. You're going to hear power on once you turn it on. And there's the mode button here, the aux cable port, the Type-C port, and this is the indicator and the microphone O. Okay, so I hope you can see everything there. And I don't think this cup is removable. It's not removable. Okay, it's attached to it. Okay, if it's removable, I'm going to tell you guys as time goes on. I need to charge up this guy before I start using it. Let me switch it off. So after using this Oraimo BoomPop Lite for 4 hours now, I can say I am truly impressed. Now, there are a lot of things I need to tell you about this guy because it is feature packed. Now, the first thing I will be talking about is the design. Design-wise, I can say Oraimo copied the design from Apple AirPods Max and Sony XM4 or Sony XM5. So the fusion of both design give birth to this BoomPop Lite, and I really like it. Now, if you look at this side, you are going to notice that it is the Apple AirPods Max, and if you look at these hinges or this corner side here, that is the Sony XM4 or Sony XM5 headphones. And that is that when it comes to the design. I'll be talking more about that in the full review video. Now, let's talk about the clamping force that is comfort-wise. Now, the BoomPop 2 and the BoomPop 2S, they both have stronger clamping force, which makes them strong, like it's stay put on your head when you put them on. So when you shake them vigorously, it's not going to shake off. Unlike the BoomPop Lite and the BoomPop 1, which is this one that I have here, the BoomPop 1 with the RGB light. Both of them have almost same clamping force, not very strong, it's just moderate. So I've been using this of recent because of the clamping force. I really need something that is going to be not too strong, like not too clamping on my head, but moderate. I know if I shake it, maybe I'm doing skipping or something in the gym that involves shaking my head, I'm not going to use this kind. I have to put it off. If not, it's just going to fall off. But if I need something that is just stay put on my head, maybe I'm doing push-ups or press-ups, I still want something on my head, this guy is good. Now, because this has come in and the clamping force is not that much, I think I'm going to be using this henceforth. Now, the third part is the sound quality. Just with 4 hours of usage, I can say the sound quality is crisp. The bass is there, everything comes out great, but after I use it well, maybe for 3 more days or 2 more days, I can tell you what I think about it. Now, it comes with its aux port, which you can use your wire to, to connect it. Once you plug it, it's just going to disconnect. It's going to disconnect, it's going to turn it off, and you start using it as headphones, wired headphones. And I just use it to edit my video. This video you're watching, that's what I'm using these headphones to edit, and it's amazing. It's nice. Now, I can't say it is the best, but it's still going to get the job done. And the last but not the least thing that I have to tell you is that it comes with spatial audio. Now, how the spatial audio works, I still don't get it, because it sounds as if I'm in a hall when I turn on the spatial audio on this Oraimo BoomPop Lite. Spatial audio that I know is 360 sound. Like, I'm going to hear the sound from everywhere, but this time around, putting this on, it seems as if I'm in a hall. It's a little bit echoey, but not echo per se. So that is just what I noticed. When you turn on the game mode can give you a little bit of bass if you don't use the Oraimo sound app. Okay, you can still use the Oraimo sound app to EQ it to your own taste. And that will be all for now. More in the full review video. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy, please use the discount code bracket and you enjoy 5% discount off. You can also use it to buy anything from Oraimo. Works in countries like Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. Thank you for using the discount code, and I'll see you in the full review. If you have any question, drop it down there in the comments. Peace.